Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the solution. So now I will show you how to answer. First, we need to find about domain. So we have S should be positive because this is about the law in here. Next, we have the base in here, so S cannot equal to number 1. So we just finish about domain. Now we apply the formula in here. We have log base A of B equals to 1 over log base B of A. So we need to use this technique for this one in here. So we will have about 1 over this one, just like this. Now we put about t equals to log base number 4 of s. So we put t in here and t in here. Next, we multiply both sides by t. And now I need to arrange this equation. And now we can find the solution of this one. So we have two solutions. The first one, that's about t equals to number 2. And the second one, that is t equals to 1 over 2. Now, about t, that is about this one. So we know that log base 4 of 4 is about number 1. So we just put number 1 in here. Next, we have the formula in here. Ln of A to the power of B equals to B ln A. So we apply this formula for this one and this one. So we can put the number go inside about the law in here, and we have the power for number 4 and the power for number 4. So we have 4 to the power of 2, and this one we have 4 to the power of 1 over 2. So if we simplify in here, and we have s equals to 4 to the power of 2 and s equals to 4 to the power of 1 over 2. 4 to the power of 2, you have 16. 4 to the power of 1 over 2, that's equals to the square root of number 4. The square root of number 4 is about number 2. And now we go back to condition in here. We see that both of them is greater than number 0 and not equals to number 1. So we say that we can accept all of them in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.